Is going on, guys? Good freaking morning. Hope you're all having a well and fantastic day. Good morning, my miners. Cheers. So, guys, today we have something pretty interesting, and really I wasn't looking to really cover, right? Sorry guys, long hair don't care today. Wasn't really looking forward to cover too much on because I'm not I've been covering more ASIC stuff here on the channel because of course I now own a big boy ASIC, as I call it, here that I've been testing out, which the Quest has been going fantastic. If anybody's been curious, quick view, here is the breakdown so far. Best efficiency that we've been able to pull is actually 24.6 joules per terahash for 67 terahashes for 1650 watts. All right, so that's pretty dang good, on par with the lowest right here, but we are pulling lower power because low power mode in stock only limits you to 1750. The lowest you can get in brains is 1616 as a setting, but we were pulling out 1650 watts, which is pretty impressive. Now this was going between like 66 to 67, 68, 69. It kind of fluctuates, plus or minus 10%. So, but the Quest is going good. If anybody's been curious, I'm actually finishing out this right here for finalizing the testing, and we are moving on to ASIC.2 TO, and then I'm probably just gonna skip Luxor and I'm gonna go straight to Epic. Probably, most likely. Yeah. The topic of today's video is the freaking Bitmain Antminer S19K Pro. Alright, so you're looking at 120 terahash unit, getting you about 23 joules per terahash in efficiency. It does put you about, power of the wall is 2760 according to this. Alright, now I do want to note that utilizing the Epic board, right, you're actually able to get these bad boys dialed in quite a bit, as you can see right here. Hash rate versus power. Now this is S19XP versus the S19K Pro, 120 versus 140 terahashes. Now the reason they are pretty linear in like that is because they do use the same chips. The K Pro is using the same chips as the XP, but it is only using 77 chips versus 110 like the XP is. So therefore you can get better thermals and a little bit better efficiency, and they've noticed that it's been better off running 77 chips versus 110. All right, now that's able to get you all the way up into the ranges. If you want to crank it to 4700 watts, which the power supply can't handle, that'll get you 160 terahashes for 4700 watts, which is pretty wild, right? Pretty wild. What I like is that you can get, for about 3000 watts, you're gonna push 120 plus terahashes, which is ideal, in my personal opinion, right? So with the Epic board, which you can snag on Altair as well for 158 bucks, which I have a link down below. I'm working on getting a coupon code, so stay tuned for that as well. But if you do buy an S19K Pro, guys, make sure you scroll down and read this, because if you're going to use the Epic board, you can add the control board to your order and then request free installation in the order notes section on the page, so you can have them install the Epic board for you, and you don't even have to do it. They'll do it for you, if you don't feel comfortable doing that. But overall, I think this is probably the best deal in my personal opinion. I'm honestly looking at getting one of these and maybe having it hosted at the farm, because 120 terahash for 1600 watts is pretty good. I have a feeling once the bull comes that these price of these units will go up, probably significantly. I know they were having a deal right here. If you are paying in like I think crypto, they will offer you a 1 to 3% like discount. So do keep in mind for that. Sales tax is included for non-Missouri buyers. If you're in Missouri, guys, you can just go pick the bad boy up and not to pay shipping at all, which would be pretty freaking cool. All right, orders placed today, which was the 16th, which was yesterday, would be shipped out from Missouri by the end of the week. All right, so $16.95 is the king on that bad boy. 23 joules per terahash. Dang. Out freaking standing. But yeah, I'll have links for these down below, guys, if you want to check them out. I'd greatly appreciate you use the links. They do help me out, and it helps us get more stuff for the channel, because I'm interested in getting one of these myself. So, yeah. Super efficient. That's really the topic of today's video, is that how efficient the thing was. I was rather surprised once you get the Epic board in there of how you're able to get it going, right? So chip Tim's first power on the Epic board, S19XP versus S19K Pro, blue versus red. Now, power in watts. So we were able to get up to almost 4,800 watts at around 70 degrees. The XP can't even get that high in wattage because it gets too hot. Around 30, I think it was around 4,500 watts, which is right here, should be as far as the XP was going to get, because 80 degree temps. Like, it's not running at those temps, right? So you can go all the way to 4,800 watts. That's pretty impressive. Efficiency versus hash rate. K Pro looks like it wins by a long shot. 23 joules per terahash at around 55 to probably, I would say, about 60 terahashes. You're going to get it right or over 23 joules per terahash. You can get up to a whopping 21 joules per terahash for 95 watts, or 95 terahashes for an efficiency of 21 joules per terahash with the Epic board. So there is the sweet spot right there. 95 terahashes for 21 joules per terahash. So according to this, 95 terahashes is probably right here, and that is about 2,200 watts. And give or take, right? Altair, if you're watching this video, put those numbers down below. I'd be curious. I'm so ready to use this. Such a beautiful, beautiful thing. Oh, so yeah. TLDR, S19K Pro, 120 terahash, has massive overclocking potential, efficiency comparable to the S19 XP, I think better in some opinions, and reliability for sure. Not to mention that, like, definitely not to mention the fact that reliability, lower hash board temps, and more budget friendly. FAs all around, and thanks Altair for putting forward this information. Greatly appreciate that, my dude. So remember, guys, you can get these on their website, and if you want the Epic board with your order, just add it to the cart and then comment in the order note section for installation of that Epic board, and they will do it for free. Now, just remember, guys, not really a paid video, but you can use those links, and it does help me out. I greatly appreciate it. That's for sure. And I'm sure they would appreciate the business, right? So that's where I'm probably going to get my S19K Pro from. Full disclosure, so you know. Now you know. FA, Super FA. Pretty simple video. Efficiency is FA can be as always. But we'll catch you on the flip side, guys. Sorry for the late video. It's been a long morning here. But catch you on the flip side. Much love. Peace out. Keep your hash rates up. Your watts down low. We'll see you guys Thursday for the brains video on the Antminer S19K Pro that we have. So much love. Peace out. Catch you on the flip side. And remember, stay savage. Peace out.